Hello everyone, my name is Miss Stalker and today I'm going to be reading to you a book called Cicada and it is by Sean Tan. Before we get into the book, I want to talk about our main character and a little bit of a focus skill that I want to think about while we read our story. So our main character, Cicada, he is actually a little bug that you might see in the summer. It kind of makes a buzzing or clicking noise. Now, the focus skill that I want us to think about while we are reading through our story is the theme, which is kind of like the main idea of our story. So we're going to be talking a lot about how the cicada is feeling throughout our story, and I want to know, when does Cicada finally belong? Alright, so let's get started. This is looking at our first illustration or picture. You can see Cicada's hands here in the middle and a badge from where he works. Cicada work in tall building. Data entry clerk. 17 year. No sick day, no mistake. Talk, talk, talk. "17-year, no promotion. Human resources say Cicada not human, no need resources. Talk, talk, talk." No cicada allowed in office bathroom. Cicada go downtown 12 blocks. Each time, company dock pay. Talk, talk, talk. Human never finish work. Cicada always stay late. Finish work. Nobody thank Cicada. Talk, talk, talk. Human coworker no like Cicada. Say things. Do things. Think Cicada stupid. Talk, talk, talk. Why do you think the humans don't like Cicada? They are not very nice to Cicada, are they? Cicada no afford rent. Live in office wall space. Company pretend not to know. Talk, talk, talk. I think he seems kind of lonely. What do you think? "17-year, Cicada retire. No party, no handshake. Boss say, clean desk. Talk, talk, talk." No work, no home, no money. Cicada go to top of tall building. Time to say goodbye. Talk, talk, talk. How do you think Cicada is feeling right now? And how would you feel if you were Cicada? Now these next few pages are just going to be illustrations, so look at what our pictures are trying to tell us. Do you see anything different? What do you think's happening? Can you see the others flying with him? Where do you think they're going? There's even more now. Let's find out. Cicada all fly back to forest. Sometimes think about human. Can't stop laughing. Talk, talk, talk. All right. So now at the end of our story, I have a couple more questions about our theme or our main idea. How do you think Cicada is feeling now that he's in the forest with other cicadas? And how have his feelings changed from the beginning of our story to the end of our story? I hope you all enjoyed the book, and thank you for reading with me. Bye!